mind that while doing this, it was approximately 21 degrees. Okay, so let me tell you exactly what happened. The customer changed the oil and the oil filter and the fuel filter. As he was taking off the fuel filter, he cracked it. He over torqued it to start off with, torqued it all the way down, and he was taking it off, he blew it off. So he went ahead and replaced it, put the new fuel filter back in, but he never put fuel on it and started it up. Then, since he couldn't get it started, he went ahead and got two batteries, two brand new batteries. These are the old ones that I'm showing you right here. He took them to O'Reilly's. O'Reilly said that one of them was overcharging and the other one was good. When I got there, I tested them. They both tested out pretty good, so he still went ahead and got two new batteries. So I was called out there to scan a truck, so that's what I did. These are the codes that I got: IDM relay, memory fault, injector 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I reset them anyway. He drained down the batteries again, the old batteries that he had, so he got angry, purchased two more. If you guys look on the left hand side, there's a back pressure exhaust back pressure sensor. That sensor, make a quick note, that exhaust back pressure sensor is never going to give you a no start situation. Keep that in mind. So these are the codes. That code wouldn't go away, but these are the codes that I got on this. So first I proceeded to open up the switch. Prior to opening the switch, I went ahead and installed a fuel pressure gauge. I opened up the key, and the key, if there was any pressure in the system, it will automatically jump. But you see how it was at zero psi. That means there was no fuel anywhere. So that was the first thing I had to check before going anywhere. If you can tell, that's what was going on here. No pressure. Ratchet, and with a 15/16, I went ahead and loosened up the piece that he had replaced, that he had broken off. As I lifted it up, I was expecting to see fuel in there, but this is what was in there. It was bone dry. Looking in there, okay, there was literally no fuel. There was still pieces of that piece that he broke off in there. Went ahead and cleaned it out, put new fuel back in it. Pressure on the left hand side is when the truck started. The pressure on the right hand side is when I first started with the diagnostic of no pressure. Alright guys, so what I did after I put fuel on it, I went to the primer pump. Hopefully you know which one your primer pump is. I began to pump it until it got really at first you would pump it and it would just be in and out real fast, but finally I got to a point where it got a little bit hard, just enough. I closed it off, tried to start up the truck, and that helped me push some air out of it. Then I opened up the pump again, opened it up to the left hand side, pump it again. I did it about 3 times, and then finally in the third time, I pay attention, I added a little bit of starter fluid on the truck. That was it, just a little, not a lot, just a little, okay, because that's bad for your engines. A little bit, and finally at the 4th time it turned, because we have all the air out of the system and the fuel was circulating through the system now. So that's how I got it started. If you got any questions, you got my email address to hit me up.